from London. I want to talk about the multiverse, because it seems pretty evident from the science that we exist in particle reality in a different format all the time. As we keep moving through our existence, our quarks and electrons and everything that we comprise of is snapping in and out of particle existence, because the rest of the time it's a waveform. So as we move through our day, we don't realize that we're changing in this way all the time. It doesn't kind of occur to us that we're snapping into particle format all the time from being a waveform, but it makes a lot of sense to the premise that our brain and our mind are two completely different things. Our brain is the hardware that resides inside our skull, and the mind is the cloud, if you like, the information collector that just carries on doing what it's doing and interacts with all these different things that are going on around it and inside and outside in other dimensions. And if there are other dimensions, then there have to be other universes. And if superposition, as it suggests, means that we have infinite levels of possibility open to us all the time, then that in itself also suggests the existence of other parallel multiple universes. So if we're moving through this existence supposedly in 3D, and yet we have all these synchronous methodologies that we need to adopt. The law of attraction is a very popular one, and in its very many and varied forms it seems to kind of work. So you can't knock the proof when it's there. Physics suggests that anything that can happen will happen, and so therefore why not? Whatever your course, whatever your trajectory, wherever you want to be is open to you. It's there in the infinite set of probabilities right in front of you all the time. So if we can drop the idea that we have to trudge through the daily grind of life in a monotonous kind of linear fashion, and start to think about the fact that we are moving through multiple states all the time. And as we do so, if we're active about it, we're presenting ourselves with opportunities that may or may not materialize into something that's worthwhile. The 80-20 rule suggests that 80% of what we do is just going to be flotsam, and 20% is going to be that's the wow factor. Whoa, where did that come from? How did that happen? Because it's there for all of us, for everybody. There isn't a particular hierarchy that this applies to. This is a quantum law. And the freaky thing about quantum laws is that they give you free keys. Your freaky free keys. That they are free keys to universal premises that are freeing and allow us a form of purpose and enterprise that if we don't know that they're there, we can't utilize them in our minds. Our minds can't use them. And if our minds can use them and put them to effect, that's a whole different story. So have fun with your freaky freakies, and I'll see you later. Bye.